Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Niti Aayog launches Geospatial Energy Map of India, coal supply position across India, tenders related to solar power. Coming to the details. Niti Aayog, in collaboration with Indian Space Research Organisation, has developed a comprehensive geographic information system energy map of India with support of Energy Ministries of Government of India. The GIS map provides a holistic picture of all energy resources of the country, which enables visualization of energy installations such as conventional power plants, oil and gas wells, petroleum refineries, coal fields and coal blocks, district-wise data on renewable energy power plants and renewable energy resource potential through 27 thematic layers. The map attempts to identify and locate all primary and secondary sources of energy and their transportation transmission network to provide a comprehensive view of energy production and distribution in the country. It is a unique effort aimed at integrating energy data scattered across multiple organizations and presenting it in a consolidated, visually appealing graphical manner. It leverages the latest developments in web GIS technology and open source software to make it interactive and user friendly. The Geospatial Energy Map of India will be useful in planning and making investment decisions. It will also aid in disaster management using available energy assets. GIS mapping of energy assets will be useful for ensuring real-time and integrated planning of energy sector of India given its large geographical distribution and interdependence. GIS-based mapping of energy assets will be advantageous to all concerned stakeholders and will help in accelerating the policy making process. Coal stocks at thermal power plants are improving day by day with extraordinary efforts from Coal India and its subsidiaries and railways. Currently, 108 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 131 gigawatt are with coal stocks less than 7 days, and 61 thermal power plants are with coal stocks less than 4 days. Mahanadi Coalfields, the leading coal producer, has dispatched over 5.47 lakh ton coal to consumers on 17th October 2021, breaking its own record of 5.45 lakh tons within a fortnight. The company dispatched the highest ever 103 rakes of coal, with 65 rakes coming from Talcher coalfields and while 38 rakes were coming supplied from IB Valley coalfields. The coal minister also reviewed the performance of Coal India arm Northern Coalfields and directed it to ramp up production and load at least 34 rakes of dry fuel daily. East Coast Railway has set a record in a single day coal as it is supplied 66 rakes of dry fuel from Odisha's Talcher to different parts of the country. The initiative was taken to enhance coal supply to power plants. East Coast Railway supplied 2.6 lakh tons of coal to Delhi, Punjab, UP, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh from Talcher loading points. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited has invited expression of interest for domestic module manufacturers to procure 15,000 megawatt of solar panels for its project over the next 5 years. The last date for bid submission is 8th November 2021. Singareni Collieries Company Limited has issued a tender calling for project management consultancy for 250 megawatt floating solar at Lower Mannar Dam, Karimnagar, with an estimated value of 5 crore rupees. The tender involves a pre-bid meeting on October 22nd and the last date for bid submission is November 8, 2021. The tender is open only for firms registered in India with consortiums specifically excluded. BHEL has invited 10 bids to enter into an MOU with vendors for procuring silicon wafers for manufacturing solar cells to meet the annual module manufacturing capacity of 200 megawatt. The last date to submit the bids is 29th October 2021 and the bids will be opened on the same day. Additional news today. Gujarat Electricity Regulatory Commission has approved the tariff of 1.1 rupee 75 paisa per unit for the purchase of surplus power by discoms from wind power projects built for captive use and third party sale. A study of Council of Energy, Environment and Water states that 17% of households of each in Delhi and Tamil Nadu and 15% households in Telangana have adopted some form of electric cooking. IIT Delhi has launched a new BTech in Energy Engineering program from the coming academic session. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 200.01 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 3 rupees 70 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 73 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 10 rupees 7 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 5 rupees 32 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 5 rupees 60 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.